If you've been curious about staying at Disney's Pop Century Resort and want to know what a standard room looks like, then you're in the perfect place to find out. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we set up our room at Pop Century Resort with a family of 4, that's 2 little kids, and also we co-sleep. And I've now finished organizing and sorting through our room, so I'm going to give you a full tour of how we organize things, being a co-sleeping and bed sharing family, as well as just being a family of 4 with 2 little kids, a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, and how we use the space so that as a family you can make sure you use the space efficiently, especially when you're out of value. And here is our room, just the initial overview here, and then we'll go into more detail. So let's start over here to the left. Obviously you have your little Hey Disney machine there. It's essentially an Amazon Alexa that's Disney themed. Below this we have made our little shoe compartment. Over here we do have this Murphy bed that pulls down. In our case we are not going to use it. We are going to keep it as a table this whole time. And on top of the table we obviously have our bag that is full of snacks. That's all our extra snacks. And then just a couple toys from the kids. Sometimes we are able to store over here our snack container, but the weight with how deep these shelves are this time, I don't think that's gonna work for that bag. But let's go over to the snack compartments now. And to start down at the bottom, we've got a beverage cooler. Obviously we have just a few things of ours in there. This beverage cooler does only cool to about 41 degrees. I've heard some people say that it keeps things plenty cold as far as milk, yogurt products, but I'd keep that as just like a personal preference thing. Pull-out drawer here that doesn't have anything in it. Sometimes I have seen the kind of coffee and tea compartments in here, but obviously that's not how they used it this time. This time we have the coffee and tea right there. You've got the light switch, a couple plug-ins if you need them, and the actual coffee maker there. Right over here, thermostat. And then next shelf up, we have decided to put wallet and keys there. You have to-go cups here, and then we brought our extra bubbles with us. And then up top, you have the ice bucket with some extra water cups. This is an empty water bottle that we'll refill and then put back in the fridge. And then we got our reusable water bottles there. Now moving on, later on, I will hopefully insert footage of having the air mattress all set up here. Right now it's just in the bag there. But this is where we plan to do it. This is where we've done it in the past at some of the other values. And it works out well. I mean, it's a little bit tight, but it fits. If you're new here, hi, my name's Tiana, and here at Magically Ever Mom, I share lots of tips, tricks, and personal adventures to help you get the most out of your Disney World vacation with little kids and babies. I post every Thursday and every other Monday, so don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Recycling and trash can there. And then up top here, the main shelving and kind of dresser unit, we have made our kind of drop zone and charging station. So we have all of our magic bands that we'll be charging here, camera batteries for us, mic battery, and then another setup on the side with with mic battery for us, and then 2 phone chargers. Obviously you have 2 plugins and 2 USBs there, and then the same is on the side here. Although this one obviously we can't use in our case because of how big this little guy is. You do have your housekeeping schedule as well, right in the middle. And this, I just moved back behind, but this came in our room. And if you are curious, this was inside this. I am going to take with this just in case, but if you hear people talk about a bounce back offer, this is what that is. This sheet should be in your room, and essentially you can use it to book, I believe it's within a week of checking out that you have to book this to be able to use these discounts, but it's a quite good discounts. The only thing that I've seen that's actually better is if you happen to be a pass holder, they tend to have some better discounts, and sometimes even if you're a resident of Florida, they have at least just as good discounts as them. Now moving on to all of these drawers. Top one here, these are all having packing cubes in them. Sleep clothes, tomorrow's day's outfits, and then the next day, and then the next day after that. So our second full day and third full day's outfits. These drawers, they're nice and wide. They're wider than some of the others that I've seen. But they're also not quite as deep here. I had our packing cubes that are really stuffed do have a problem kind of fitting in here. On the bottom drawer, we have our departure days outfits, sweaters, and extra clothes for the kids. For us, when we are coming and staying for 4 nights, it's like the perfect amount of storage as far as drawer goes for us. In here, you have a safe, an extra pillow, and this is our diapers. And then the handy dandy Bible. And then moving over here is a perfect spot for us for an inline stroller. The double would fit here too if we had it set up as a double. We kept the extra seat in the car. Diaper bag is right there for now, although I might move the diaper bag over here or over there. I'm just thinking when it comes to refilling the diaper bag in the evening once the kids are asleep, kind of re-putting new snacks in and things, it will probably be easier to do that when it's closer to the snacks. But for now, it's next to the stroller where we actually need it. Now moving right along, the main bed. Obviously the phone to call for housekeeping or anything you might need. Light switches there, and extra plugins there. A little compartment in case you want to put a water bottle or anything in there. We also have put our bags underneath our suitcases. Both of our 2 suitcases fit under there, and you could definitely fit a third and a fourth if you needed to. Coming around to the other side, I would say a slightly wider nightstand here, but essentially the same plugins up top. This is where we put our sound machine, and obviously the light switches there for Mickey up above. You can see they gave us plenty of pillows. So in my case, I won't need to call down for extra pillows for our air mattress or anything. One thing that I do here when calling down to housekeeping is if you can, do it earlier rather than later, because it tends to be quicker the earlier you do it. If you do it later on in the evening, it tends to get busier. More people are asking for blankets, pillows, bed rails, which speaking of, bed rails are no longer a thing. They are using bed bumpers now. I am not going to be calling down to order any this time because I'll just put a pillow on the side for Adeline. She's 4.5. She doesn't necessarily need it that bad. And then Will, with our air mattress on the floor, we won't need anything like that for him. But essentially, it's a foam bed bumper that you can stick on either side underneath the sheets of the bed. Now let's head into the bathroom. But before I do that, we have a nice coat rack there. That's especially handy if you're coming around this time of year when you might be bringing coats and jackets. So as we get into the bathroom, space to hang up clothes if needed. And then there are a couple little shelves down below. For us, that's where we're going to start putting dirty clothes. You do have an ironing board if you wish to use it. Hey there, everyone. Obviously, you have a nice big mirror there, and hand soap, body lotion, bath soap, a bar of bath soap there. Nice size sink. Towel racks on either side. That's my makeup bag right there. And over there, it is a steam iron. So that does come here. Already in the room. You don't need to call to housekeeping for it or anything. This is a garbage bin that was on the floor, but we're going to stick it up here so that Will doesn't get into it. These are our 2 toiletry bags. You obviously have some Kleenex there, extra toilet paper, some extra little towels. Inside here, they do provide a hairdryer. That's our medicine bag. We do like to bring a little bit of medicine with us just in case we get sick. Last thing that I will mention in this section is you do have a light up makeup mirror, and it does flip both ways. So that does come in handy, especially if you have multiple people getting ready. And speaking of, another thing that comes in handy when multiple people get ready is having a shower and toilet that cuts off from the rest of the bathroom. Obviously shower rack with a whole bunch of towels on the back. Garbage bin, toilet, more towels along there, so plenty of towels and spaces to store towels. And this room also does come with just a shower, not a bathtub shower combo. At the other value resorts that we've stayed at, we have had the combo with the bathtub and the shower. It might be something that you would want to request since they do have both. If you require a bathtub, it might be worth a call before you get here to try and make sure that you have a bathtub if you need it. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are all provided there. This definitely looks like a nice updated shower head compared to the one that's at All-Star Movies, to be honest. And I do know that All-Star Movies has been updated. The rooms that we stayed in, it would be less than 6 months ago now. Those rooms were updated, but it might be that they put just a couple little nicer finishes and things here compared to the All-Star resorts, since you are paying just a little bit extra. Or maybe those are the shower heads that get used when you don't have the bathtub. But this resort is great. It has some extra added perks, including the Skyliner. The positive side to being over here in the 90 section is that it is quite quiet over here because you're away from pretty much everything. The other nice thing about Pop Century that we discovered is that each section does have their own parking lot. So our car is not actually all that far away from this building here. If you've been enjoying this full room tour and setup, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and give this video a like. That way you could join our little Magical Mom community. Thank you guys so much for staying and watching all the way through. Now that you made it this far in the video, go ahead and share with me what your favorite value resort hotel is. So far, we're really liking Pop Century. One day we will definitely try out Art of Animation. Tom definitely wants to try out those car suites one day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys right here in the next one. Bye, guys.